Let us start with a function, and watch what happens when we slide it sideways. Here's the parabola y equals x squared, with its vertex at the origin. Now replace x with the quantity x minus 2. The vertex sits where the inside is 0, and x minus 2 is 0 at x equals 2. So the whole graph slides to the right by 2 units, carrying its vertex to x equals 2. Subtracting a number inside the function moves its graph to the right. Now replace x with the quantity x plus 2 instead. This time the inside is 0 at x equals negative 2. So the graph slides to the left by 2 units. Adding a number inside the function moves its graph to the left. In general, replacing x with x minus h shifts the graph right by h units. And replacing x with x plus h shifts the graph left by h units. The direction is opposite to the sign you see. Minus moves right and plus moves left. Let us look at all 3 graphs together. Same shape, simply slid left or right by changing what goes inside the function.